This colouring book is making $28,138 per month, and it was created less than 1 month ago. It's shot up the Amazon rankings, becoming a bestseller rapidly using a unique strategy I will share in this video. Now, colouring books have taken off on Amazon in the past few years, becoming a favourite for many shoppers. They're not just for kids anymore, adults are also finding them fun and relaxing. With all kinds of different themes and styles available, it's easy for anyone to find a colouring book that catches their interest. So if you type in colouring book into the Amazon search bar, you will notice the search results show 70,000 books under these keywords, which is a lot of books to be competing with. However, one of the first books that will appear on the first page when you search for colouring books is this food and snacks colouring book. It was only created on January the 24th of this year and has an insanely low BSR of 156. And according to Kindlepreneur's BSR royalty calculator, this book is making $938 per day and $28,138 per month. And this is only in the US market alone. If we look at the UK market, we can see it has a BSR of 627, and in the Canadian market, it has the lowest BSR of 67. So what's this book's secret? Why is this book selling like hotcakes in such a short time? They must be running aggressive ads and spending thousands. But if we input this book's ASIN into Helium 10, it shows us that there are no sponsored ads on this book. So we're now back to the question, how is it possible this book is making so much so quickly? And the answer is TikTok. Whilst everyone's heard of TikTok for one reason or another, it's not just for cringy dancing and mindless content. It's also a highly effective tool for marketing a product, which the author of this book, Megan Miles Art, has grown a large following on TikTok of 146,000 followers and 3.6 million likes. She has created hundreds of videos showing her colouring books. She teaches her followers how to correctly colour pages in, and she replies to her audience's questions with helpful tutorials. Megan has linked her products in her bio so interested followers can buy her colouring books, digital colouring pages and markers from her website or Amazon. But you do need 1,000 followers in order to attach a link in your bio. But over time, she's built a huge following that loves and engages with her content. Now, if we take a look at this pinned, it shows the colouring book that we've been talking about in this video, and you can see it's had over 14.2 million views. And all this video demonstrates is Megan colouring in one of the pages from the book and the markers that she uses with music in the background, which is a very simple concept. And this shows that you don't really need any complex tools or editing. The majority of her videos are very simplistic in nature, and she rarely shows her face or speaks in these videos. But don't think you'll just create one video and you'll be on your way to success. Megan has been creating videos since September. And also, this isn't her first colouring book. She's been creating colouring books from the start. However, over time, she's listened to her audience and iterated with her colouring books and found something that really resonates with her audience. And she's rapidly amassed a following and successfully monetized it, demonstrating that anyone has a potential to make money online and transform their life in the space of a few months. So whilst these case studies are great to do and see others' success, what's important is that you take action, and here are some steps to show you how you can replicate Megan's success too. So first of all, you need to find a trending niche. Now, I always base everything off research, and it's important to have some data to ensure there is demand for the type of books you plan to create. Use tools such as Google Trends to find out what people are searching for. You can take a look through some of the Amazon bestsellers to see what's in demand, and also search through TikTok to see what books people are buying and how you can create engaging, fun videos. It doesn't just have to be colouring books, but I've also seen journals and activity books selling really well through TikTok. Now, the second step is the book creation. So once you've identified a promising niche, you need to start creating the book tailored to that theme. So if you possess the artistic skills, then you can design the pages for yourself. Alternatively, you can also consider hiring a freelancer or leveraging AI tools to bring your vision to life. I've got many tutorials on my channel showing you how to create various types of books, so you can just watch them. But make sure that your book's content is unique and appealing to your target audience. Then publish your book on Amazon to make it easily accessible. Third is to start producing engaging content. So order copies of your books and aim to create engaging, fun content for TikTok showcasing your books. If you don't want to create the videos yourself, you can even hire a TikTok video creator on Fiverr. But take inspiration from successful brands and infuse your content with a unique twist to build an authentic brand identity, and then demonstrate the value that your books can bring in the videos without making it too salesy or forcing people to buy your books. And this links into step 4 to focus on building a community. Make sure that you engage with your followers by answering questions, providing value through tutorials or tips, showcasing your personal journey and the behind the scenes process of creating your book. Now, step 5 is to iterate and innovate, which is something that Megan did. She iterated on her coloring books to find a style that resonated with her audience. Her early coloring books didn't sell as well, but she listened to that audience and created something for them. So be prepared to develop your videos and books based on the feedback and changing trends. Before you gain 1,000 followers, you can mention at the end of the video that your book is available on Amazon. And then once you reach the 1,000 followers, you can also link your book in your TikTok bio. Finally, step 6 is to leverage TikTok for organic reach. So TikTok's algorithm can provide substantial organic reach without the need for sponsored ads. So focus on creating content that has the potential to go viral, use hashtags strategically, and also try to participate in trends that align with your brand. For example, with Megan's book, she has created a Christmas coloring book and then also a sweetheart coloring book, and that's around Valentine's Day. So use those seasonal trends and traffic to create content around your brand. Now, seeing Megan's result, TikTok has become too important to overlook, especially for anybody looking to market their product with a budget. It's a platform that many clever creators are leveraging to make a lot of money, and Megan's story kind of shows us how it's done. But the idea isn't to copy what she did. Instead, use her story as inspiration to create your own brand.